In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A55, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. First of all, open Settings and scroll down to access Google. Then tap on All Services. Click on Autofill. Autofill with Google. And in this pop-up, select your Google account and hit Continue. If you see this kind of error, choose Continue in the first pop-up. Tap on Google and select OK. Finally, you can click on Google Password Manager, and if you can't see any of those options, click on this gear at the top right corner. Then make sure that Offer to Save Passwords is on, log in to any app and hit Save in Autofill pop-up. This way your password will appear here and you'll be able to add any other one from those settings. To do it now, click on this plus next to Search Passwords. Now input all of those informations. At the top, select any website or click on Select App and tap on the chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. When you finished, hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!